Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we're talking about something super exciting, AbascusAI. Yes, you will be learning what AbascusAI is and the benefits you can get from it as an AI user. If you've been wondering how to make money with AI without all the complicated tech stuff, this is for you. What is AbascusAI? AbascusAI is this amazing platform that makes AI easy for everyone. Think of it like having AI superpowers without needing to be a superhero first. They've built abilities that let regular people and businesses use advanced AI without writing complex code. Let's take a look at the benefits. Benefit 1. It is easy to use. The first awesome thing about AbascusAI is how simple it is. You don't need to be a tech genius. Their interface is super friendly. You can drag, drop, and click your way to creating AI solutions. This means you can focus on your ideas instead of getting stuck on technical problems. Benefit 2. You have access to powerful AI models. AbascusAI gives you access to over 15 best AI models out there. Their Chat LLM Teams product lets you chat with advanced AI assistants. These models can help with writing, answering questions, analyzing data, and so much more. Benefit 3. It saves time and money. Think about how much time you spend on repetitive tasks. AbascusAI can automate these for you. This means you save hours every week and can focus on more important things. For businesses, this translates to major cost savings. Benefit 4. No coding required. Remember when I said you don't need to be a tech expert? AbascusAI has no-code solutions that let you build AI applications by simply pointing and clicking. You can create powerful abilities without writing a single line of code. Benefit 5. Real-world applications. The possibilities are endless. You can use AbascusAI for creating content for your business, analyzing customer data to find patterns, building chatbots for your website, making predictions based on your data, automating your workflow. The AI revolution is happening right now, and AbascusAI is your ticket to join in. Whether you're a small business owner, a content creator, or just someone curious about AI, AbascusAI makes it possible for you to harness this technology today. Don't forget to hit subscribe for more videos about AI abilities that can change your life. Drop a comment below if you've tried AbascusAI or have questions about getting started. See you in the next video.